Hello students, how are you all? Myself Sangeeta Jain, representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Today we will start chapter 13, perimeter, area and volume of class 5 maths. Students, you see the closed figure or polygon. So length of this polygon, suppose this is A, B, C and D. So if we start from A, so length of the boundary of this polygon means AC, CD, DB and AB is the length of this boundary, and this is called perimeter of the polygon. Understood? So what do you mean by polygon? The total length of the boundary of a plane closed figure is called its perimeter. Understood? कोई सा भी figure हो. Suppose we have this triangle. Suppose this is A, B and C. So length of AB plus BC plus CA means AB plus BC plus CA is equals to perimeter of this triangle. Understood? So we use, because one dimension in this perimeter, so what is the unit of perimeter? Centimeter, meter, kilometer. When perimeter is small, we measure in centimeter, then meter, and large perimeter measure in kilometers. Understood? Now students, what is the perimeter of rectangle? Look, this is the rectangle. A, B, C and D. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. It means suppose AB is the length, then CD is also length, and AD is the breadth, then BC is also breadth of this rectangle. So we will start from A. Length of AB, BC, CD and DA. So write AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is equals to L plus B plus L plus B. So how many L are there? Twice of L and twice of B. We take common 2 यहाँ पर भी है और यहाँ पर भी है, तो हम इसको क्या करेंगे, कॉमन ले लेंगे, and we have now L here, so write L, and B here, so write B. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle is equals to twice of L plus B, means लेंथ और ब्रेथ को आप प्लस कर दोगे तो आपके पास, और उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे तो आपके पास में क्या आएगा, perimeter of rectangle. Now how we find L and B if perimeter is given? So perimeter is equals to twice of L plus B. P को 2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. This is P by 2 is equals to L plus B. Now if perimeter and breadth is given and we want to find length, then what we will do? P upon 2 minus breadth. Understood? ये L यहाँ रह जाएगा और B का साइड चेंज होगा तो साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, तो P minus 2, P by 2 minus breadth. And if we want to find breadth of the rectangle and perimeter length is given, then that time what we will do? P upon 2 minus length of the rectangle. Understood how we find the length and breadth if perimeter is given and breadth and length is given respectively. Understood? Perimeter of a square. In a square, all sides are equal. This is P, Q, R and S. So this is also L, L, L और L. आप इसको साइड से भी मेंशन कर सकते हो. सो व्हाट इज द पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर? Perimeter of square is equals to side plus side plus side plus side. So how many times we have side here? 4 times. So 4 is multiplied by side. Understood? This is the perimeter of square. Now if perimeter is given and we want to find side of a square, that time what we will do? तो साइड को फाइंड करने के लिए आप क्या करोगे? पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर मीन्स पेरीमीटर को डिवाइड कर देंगे हम 4 से. पेरीमीटर इज डिवाइडेड बाय 4. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्राइंगल. In perimeter of triangle we have 3 sides. Perimeter of triangle, we have 3 sides in a triangle. So add all the sides. Suppose this is A, B and C. So what is the perimeter of triangle? This is AB, BC and CA. So perimeter of triangle is equals to AB plus BC plus CA. It means side plus side plus side. Understood? Exercise 13.1, question number 1. In this question, we want to find perimeter of rectangle. Now, A part of this, length is equals to 8 centimeter and breadth is equals to 5 centimeter. Now, what is the perimeter of rectangle? Write formula first. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B. Now put the values. L is 8 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. So 8 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. First we add the numbers because we solve bracket first. So 8 plus 5, 13 centimeter. Now multiply by 2, 13 2s are 26 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? 26 centimeter is the perimeter of rectangle. Now question number 2. In question number 2, find the perimeter of a square whose dimensions are given below. Now D part we will take here. Side is given. Side is equals to 18 meter. Now what is the formula to find the perimeter of square? Perimeter of square is equals to 4 into side. Now put the value. 4 into side is 18 meter. So write 18 meter here. Now 18 4s are 72. आपको ऐसे नहीं आता है तो 4 8s are 32. 2 write first and bring carry over 3. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7. And meter is the unit of the perimeter. Now question number 3 is find the perimeter of the triangles whose dimensions are given below. Now in this perimeter of triangles we want to find. So write the formula. Question number 3. A part is A is equals to 4 centimeter, B is equals to 5 centimeter and C is equals to 6 centimeter. Now in this we have a triangle. Write the name A, B and C. This is the side A, this is B and this is C. So dimensions are 4 centimeter, then 5 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. So write the perimeter of triangle. Is equals to side plus side plus side. Now it is equals to 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. Add all the numbers. 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 6 15 centimeter is the perimeter of triangle. Understood? A part is 64 centimeter. This is the perimeter of a square. Is equals to 64 centimeter. Now what is the perimeter of a square? 4 into side is equals to 64 centimeter. Now side is equals to, perimeter is divided by 4. So 64 is divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 2 remainder, 20, it becomes 24. Now 4 6 are 24. It is equals to 16 centimeter. This is the side of a square. Let us start area of the closed figure. Now what is area? Students, suppose we have a closed figure, any closed figure or polygon, and we want to find area. Area where we use area in our day to day life. जैसे आपको फ्लोरिंग करनी है तो फ्लोरिंग में हम क्या करते हैं, टाइल्स लगाते हैं, ठीक है, वाइट वॉश करते हैं या पेंट करते हैं, तो उसमें हम पूरी वॉल को कवर करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम उसका सिर्फ जो बाउंड्रीज हैं उनको कलर कर दिया, हम पूरी वॉल को कवर करते हैं, ठीक है ना. तो वहाँ पर हमें एरिया फाइंड करने की ज़रूरत होती है. जैसे आप किसी गिफ्ट पैकेट को रैप करते हैं तो वहाँ पर भी हमें क्या करना होता है, पूरे गिफ्ट को कवर करना होता है, तो वहाँ भी हम शीट का एरिया फाइंड करेंगे. अंडरस्टूड? सो हाउ वी फाइंड द एरिया? दिस इज द एरिया मीन्स ये जो बीच वाला पार्ट होता है ना किसी भी क्लोज फिगर का, दिस इज द एरिया. अंडरस्टूड? पेरीमीटर क्या था? ये जो बाउंड्री थी ना इसकी लेंथ, दिस इज द पेरीमीटर. अंडरस्टूड? और जो ये बीच में ये वाला होता है प्लेन क्लोज फिगर, surface of plain closed figure, this is the area. Understood? Now what is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. Understood? Length into breadth is the area of rectangle. If area is given and length is given and we want to find breadth of the rectangle, then how we find area of rectangle? is divided by, अब आपको यहाँ पर ब्रेथ फाइंड करनी है, लेंथ गिवन है तो यू डिवाइड बाय लेंथ, अंडरस्टूड. एंड इफ एरिया एंड ब्रेथ इज गिवन एंड वी वांट टू फाइंड लेंथ, then what is the formula? Length is equals to area of rectangle is divided by breadth. Area of square is equals to side into side. Students, look here. जो रेक्टेंगल होता है उसमें क्या होता है, L और B होता है, तो हमने इस साइड को मल्टीप्लाई किया टू फाइंड द एरिया, ठीक है. और स्क्वायर में क्या है, ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल, तो आप इसको भी साइड लिख रहे हो एंड यू ऑल्सो राइट साइड हियर. सो साइड इंटू साइड मीन्स L इंटू B कर रहे हैं यहाँ रेक्टेंगल में, और यहाँ पर साइड और साइड को, बिकॉज बोथ साइड्स आर, ऑल साइड्स आर सेम इन स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट इज द एरिया, साइड इंटू साइड. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर, इफ एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर गिवन, that time what we will do, you find the square root of area, understood. And which unit we use in area, centimeter square to find small areas, then meter square to find greater areas, and very large areas उनके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, किलोमीटर स्क्वायर, अंडरस्टूड. स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर, स्क्वायर मीटर, स्क्वायर किलोमीटर, और सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर एंड किलोमीटर स्क्वायर बोथ आर सेम. Let us start exercise 13.2. F part of this, we want to find the area of this given figure. जो shaded part है इसका हमें area find करना है. Now how we find the area? Students, we use some rules to find the area square in square sheets. Suppose complete square is covered, we count complete one, and if half square is covered, we count half, or if more than half square is covered, we count complete one, and if negligible square is covered, we count zero. Understood? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि यदि पूरा एरिया एक कंप्लीट स्क्वायर कवर्ड हो रहा है तो हम उसको 1 काउंट करेंगे, हाफ से कम है तो उसको हम 0 काउंट करेंगे, हाफ एग्जैक्टली तो हाफ भी काउंट करेंगे, और हाफ से ज़्यादा है तो उसको हम 1 काउंट करेंगे. अंडरस्टूड? सो इन दिस इज 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Now this is half, 18, and this is also half and half, 19, and this is also half, so 19.5 is the answer. 19.5 square units is the answer. Understood how we find the area of the given figure? Now start question number 2. Find the area of a rectangle whose dimensions are given below. आपको रेक्टेंगल का एरिया फाइंड करना है. डायमेंशंस मीन्स लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ इज गिवन. लेंथ इज ए पार्ट, लेंथ इज 7 सेंटीमीटर, ब्रेथ इज 5 सेंटीमीटर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, ए पार्ट, length is equals to 7 centimeter and breadth is equals to 5 centimeter. Now what is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth L into B. You use small l and capital L, both are correct. लेकिन यदि आपने यहाँ स्मॉल l लिखा है तो यहाँ भी आपको कैपिटल स्मॉल b ही लिखना है. एंड इफ यू राइट कैपिटल L देन यू राइट कैपिटल B ऑल्सो. अंडरस्टूड? ऐसा नहीं कि ये स्मॉल लिख दिया और ये कैपिटल लिख दिया. नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज. 7 centimeter is multiplied by 5 centimeter. Now 7 5s are 35 and centimeter into centimeter. This is power 1 and this is power 1. तो add powers when base are same तो centimeter square हो जाएगा. आप इसको 35 square centimeter भी लिख सकते हो. This is also correct. Understood? Now find the area of a square whose side is given below. Question number 3. So side of a square is 6 centimeter. This is the A part. Now what is the area of a square? Area of a square is equals to side into side. Now put the value. 6 centimeter is multiplied by 6 centimeter is equals to 6 6 36 centimeter square or square centimeter. Both are correct. आप इसको 36 square centimeter लिखें या 36 centimeter square लिखें. Both are correct. Let us start question number 4. The area of a badminton court is 240 square meter. If its length is 20 meter, find its breadth. Students, in this question, area of badminton court is given and we want to find breadth of the badminton court. So, how we find the breadth of badminton court? Now, in this, what is given? Area of badminton court. Is equals to 240 square meter and length is also given. Length of badminton court is equals to 20 मीटर. फाइंड क्या करना है आपको? ब्रेथ. Breadth of badminton court. Now what is the formula to find the breadth? Breadth is equals to area upon length. अब यहाँ एरिया किसका है? एरिया ऑफ बैडमिंटन कोर्ट. upon length. Now put the values. Area is 240 meter square upon length is 20 meter. Now स्टूडेंट्स मीटर स्क्वायर से हम मीटर को कैंसिल करेंगे तो कैसे करेंगे? मीटर स्क्वायर का मीनिंग क्या होता है? मीटर इंटू मीटर अपॉन मीटर है तो यू कैंसिल आउट 1 मीटर टू मीटर. अब यहाँ पर रहा क्या आपके पास में? मीटर एंड सो कैंसिल आउट दिस एंड 1 0 by 0. ठीक है. नाउ कैंसिल आउट 24 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So answer is 12 meter. Understood? Therefore, breadth of badminton court is 12 meter. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day, students.